Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best sump pump on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Decapro Sump Pump. Decapro 400W1 2HP Sump Pump 1981 GPH Submersible Pump Clean Dirty Water Pump Swimming Pool Garden Tub Pond Flood Drain with Float Switch and long 16 feet cable. This powerful submersible pump can pump water up to 20 feet high and is perfect for daily use in the home, in ponds, aquariums, swimming pools, septic tanks and more. It's built with a vertical float switch that activates the pump when the water level rises and turns it off when it reaches the maximum water level. The Decapro sump pump can be used in both fresh and saltwater applications and is suitable for use in groundwater, sump tanks, water wells, and swimming pools. The included 16 feet power cord with a NEMA 14 Lyra 30 plug makes this compact pump perfect for using in basements, crawl spaces, wet basements and storm drains. This pump is not meant to remove water from a standard yard hose. The pump is designed to work in dirty water and is not made to drain water from standard garden hoses. Number 4. ProStormer Sump Pump. The ProStormer Sump Pump has a max flow rate of 25 gallons per minute and 1.15 horsepower. It's ideal for use with 100% freshwater, has a stainless steel shaft and an ABS head housing with a polymer impeller which is impervious to salt water. This pump is a must-have to keep those basements dry or to replenish the pool after heavy rain. With a 1 horsepower motor, this pump pumps clean and dirty water up to 3,700 gallons per hour. It is completely submersible, with a compact design to fit in smaller spaces. Designed to last with stainless steel shaft, float switch and plastic gears. The float switch can remain on suction side, and the pump will shut off automatically if the water level is too low. It will restart automatically when the water level raises to a predetermined level. The pump is designed for continuous duty, designed for 24/7 use. The ProStormer Sump Pump 1 HP 3700 GPH Submersible Clean Dirty Water Pump with automatic float switch is designed for indoor and outdoor use. It is perfect for house flooding and basement drainage, swimming pool and spa drainage, farm ponds and small to large size ponds. It is safe to use with freshwater, saltwater, water from wells and water from lakes and rivers. Number 3. Superior Pump Sump Pump. SuperiPump 92341 and 1/3 HP cast iron submersible sump pump with vertical float switch is the perfect sump pump that delivers 1200 GPH. It is built with cast iron with attached float switch, ideal for residential use. This device is an ideal sump pump that delivers 1200 GPH. The pump is well constructed using cast iron, which is rust resistant, and has a vertical float switch, which is ideal for residential use. It is also energy efficient as it's 115 V 1/60 Hz. Superior Pump 92341 and 1/3 HP cast iron submersible sump pump with vertical float switch has a sturdy cast iron construction that keeps it running for long. It is a reliable pump that is backed by a 5-year limited warranty from Superior Pump. This product from Superior Pump has received 4.3 out of 5 stars on Amazon. Customers who have used it appreciate its quality and performance. It is a quiet pump that can be counted on for 24/7 performance. It works with ease and is simple to install. It comes with an easily accessible power cord and plugs in quickly. It is an effective sump pump that is easy to install. Number 2. Wayne Sump Pump. The Wayne CDU 790 sump pump is perfect for indoor or outdoor use. This pump delivers 1/3 HP of continuous duty to handle a variety of water flow conditions. The Wayne CDU 790 sump pump can handle up to 4,600 gallons per hour of water. This pump has a vertical float switch and is submersible. The 1/3 HP pump will run continuously or intermittently and is easy to install. The Wayne CDU 790 submersible sump pump is equipped with an integrated vertical float switch that is engineered to be reliable and consistent. Get the job done with a sump pump that doesn't need a lot of space and can be installed directly into a basement floor or wall. The 1/3 HP pump can be installed with a 115 V power cord that is able to pump up to 4,600 gallons per hour. The heavy-duty cast iron and stainless steel construction is resistant to corrosion and spills and works well in most any space. Number 1. Zoeller Sump Pump. The Zoeller M53 Mighty Mate is a highly effective durable sump pump that is guaranteed to provide years of trouble-free service. It is a 1/3 HP pump, which can handle almost any drainage need. It is a submersible pump, which provides many benefits over an above-ground pump. Submersible pumps are designed to be installed into the sump pit, where they are protected from the environment. They are also much quieter than above-ground pumps, and they do not get damaged as easily by lawnmowers or other objects. This pump is designed with an efficient, high-performance motor that has a long life and quiet operation. This pump can handle any drainage situation, including the high water conditions that result from heavy rains. The Zoeller M53 Mighty Mate has a 35-foot power cord and a removable multi-purpose float. The float can be removed, attached to a hose, and used as a backup to the pump, or it can be used for a completely different application. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.